So here's a quick tutorial about doing pipework with the frame design, which is part of Solid Edge Foundation. So we start by creating a new assembly file, and under Tools we go into Frame, and you can use the line segment. We can't use Path Express because we haven't got anything to connect to, but you can use Path Express to build a path between one circle and another. So you'll see that we have this triad here which locks onto a plane or an axis, and that just sort of gives you the indication of sort of how to use it. But I'm going to start drawing from that sort of center point of the coordinate system. I can lock it on the X direction and specify the distance and click for the direction, and then if I want to take it up I can go again distance and click and drag it off in the Y direction, and then we'll take it back again in the X direction. So this will be 1.5 meters, and when we've finished we just right mouse click, and then we can go to the frame command, and you need to choose which one tubing you're after. So Solid Edge comes with some standard frames, and you've got extrusions and sort of like just standard stuff, so we can go round tubing, or you can create your own. So obviously you can see these are all imperial, but you just choose one. So if we go into our options, so we can apply coordinate treatment. You can get it mitered, but because it's tubing, I'm going to sort of add a bend in there, and we'll say the bend's going to be 50 mil, and accept that. Change the option to chain. So these parts here could be part of a 3D model, so you can just pick the edges of those, but we'll go and just pick that and right mouse click, and you'll see that it's built in all of the sort of bends for us, and yeah, it's a reasonably quick and easy way of creating a representation of a pipe.